Good morning, students. Welcome to class 5 mathematics. Our today's topic is quadrilateral. We are continuing the chapter shapes and angles. So today we are going to learn quadrilateral and its properties. So what is quadrilateral? A closed figure made of 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. A closed figure made of 4 line segments is called a quadrilateral. Now in the figure you can see it is a closed figure and it is made of 4 line segment AB, BC, CD, DA. This 4 line segment the figure is made of 4 line segments, so it is a quadrilateral. Any closed figure made of 4 line segment is a quadrilateral. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral and the sides are AB, BC, CD, DA. Here also it has 4 vertices A, B, C and D, and it has also 4 angles. You can see angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. How can we express angle? Angle DAB, that is A angle, angle ABC, B angle, angle BCD, D angle, C angle, and angle CDA, angle D. Also it has 2 diagonals. What is diagonal? A line segment joining to opposite vertices is called a diagonal. So here you can see I have expressed in dotted line AC and BD. These 2 are diagonals. So quadrilateral, a closed figure made of 4 line segments is called quadrilateral. So suppose I am taking 4 matchsticks. Now if you arrange in any way, suppose in any way that it can make an closed figure, so this is a quadrilateral. If you change in any order, you can change in any order, it is also a quadrilateral. Suppose I am arranging in this way, this is also a quadrilateral because all of these are made of 4 line segment and all these, it is a closed figure. So this is a quadrilateral. Next is the angle sum property of quadrilateral. What is the angle sum property of quadrilateral? The sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Everyone just keep in mind the sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So here ABCD is a quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. So this is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Now how can we, suppose here angle A is given 60 degree, angle B is given 30 degree, angle C is given 110 degree. So what is angle D? What is the measure of angle D? So we can see the sum of three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 60 degree plus 30 degree plus 110 degree. So 60 degree plus 30 degree plus 110, 60 plus 30, 90, 90 plus 110, that is 200 degree. So what is the measure of angle D? As we know, the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So, and sum of three angles here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 200 degrees. So what is the measure of angle D? Angle D is 360 degree minus 200 degree, that is 160 degree. 160 degree. So in this way we can, suppose three angles are given, then we can find the fourth angle. So we have to keep in mind that angle sum property of quadrilateral is the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. It is for any kind of quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. So angle A, here I have given one example. Angle A 60 degree, angle B 30 degree, angle C 110 degree. Then what is the measure of angle D? So we have seen angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 60 plus 30 plus 110, that is 200 degree. So angle D is equals to 360 degree minus 200 degree is equals to 160 degree. Now suppose another example, another kind of problem. Suppose I am taking four angles, any type of four angles, 40 degree, 135 degree, 210 degree, and suppose 60 degree. We have to check whether they are angles of a quadrilateral or not. Here a set of four angles as given. We have to check whether they are angles of a quadrilateral or not. So how can we test it? Easily. First add four angles, 40 degree plus 135 degree plus 210 degree plus 60 degree. So 40 plus 60, 100 degree, 100 plus 210, that is 310 degree, plus 100 plus 135 degree, that is total is 445 degree, which is greater than 360 degree or not equals to 360 degree. So we can say it is this group of angles are not the angles of a quadrilateral. If the sum of four angles come 360 degree, then they are angles of quadrilateral, because we know that the sum of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Here the sum of four angles is equals to 445 degree. That is it is not equals to 360 degree. So they are not the angles of quadrilateral. Now you have to do some homework. Number 1, find the fourth angle of a quadrilateral ABCD. Here in each case 3 angles are given. You have to find out the measure of fourth angle. Number A, angle A 35 degree, angle B 95 degree, angle C 100 degree, angle D is what? Number B, angle A 75 degree, angle B 75 degree, angle C 60 degree, angle D is what? Number C, angle A what? Angle B 25 degree, angle C 125 degree, angle D 100 degree. Number D, angle A 95 degree, angle B 90 degree, angle C what? Angle D 80 degree. Number E, angle A 120 degree, angle B 150 degree, angle C 60 degree, angle D is what? Next, number 2, examine the given group of angles. Are the angles of quadrilateral or not? So here in each case 4 angles are given. You have to check whether they form a quadrilateral or not. Number A, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Number B, 110 degree, 125 degree, 85 degree, 30 degree. Number C, 40 degree, 60 degree, 70 degree, 80 degree. Number D, 45 degree, 165 degree, 75 degree, 75 degree. Number E, 125 degree, 135 degree, 90 degree and 30 degree.